See how Dionic Studio 6 is performing.
Medication makes me high, just be patient. Like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine, elevation. The medication makes me high. Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like when they are right down. The way you're something up, it have to weigh 5 pounds. You know things are worth more than this my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers.